To gain expertise in security system installation, monitoring, and troubleshooting, several avenues for training and certification are available. Firstly, consider the National Institute for Certification in Engineering Technologies, NICET, which offers certifications in electronic security systems encompassing installation, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Secondly, the Electronic Security Association, ESA, provides training programs and certifications in various security-related fields. Thirdly, SES International offers training and certifications in security management, including security systems. Also, the Texas Department of Public Safety, DPS, regulates the private security industry in Texas and offers training programs for security professionals. Furthermore, numerous educational institutions provide relevant programs. Texas State Technical College offers an associate's degree in electronic security technology. Northlake College, within the Dallas County College District, offers the Security Technology Certificate of Proficiency. McLennan Community College offers a Security Management Certificate. Training opportunities are also available through manufacturers and distributors. Honeywell Security provides training programs on its security systems products. Tyco Security Products offers training on its access control, video surveillance, and intrusion detection systems. ADT Security Services provides training for its authorized dealers on system installation, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Numerous online resources can supplement formal training. Security InfoWatch is an industry publication with articles and webinars on security system technologies and trends. Security Magazine is a monthly publication covering security management, systems, and technology. Home Security Systems Hub is a website with information on security system installation, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Additional tips include joining industry associations like ESA and SES for networking and access to training resources. Attending industry trade shows and conferences helps in staying up to date on the latest technologies. Seeking mentorship from experienced security professionals provides valuable guidance. It is essential to stay informed about industry regulations and licensing requirements in Texas. Security system technology encompasses various elements, beginning with intrusion detection systems. These systems employ sensors to detect unauthorized entry into a protected area. Common sensors include door and window contacts, which trigger an alarm when a door or window is opened. Motion detectors use infrared, microwave, or ultrasonic technology to detect movement within a designated area. Glass break detectors listen for the sound of breaking glass. The control panel is the central hub of the security system, processing signals from sensors and initiating appropriate responses. These panels can be hardwired or wireless. Wireless systems offer greater flexibility in installation. Keypads allow users to arm and disarm the system using a code. Some systems offer key fobs or smartphone apps for remote control. Alarm monitoring is a crucial aspect of security systems. When an alarm is triggered, the control panel sends a signal to a monitoring center. Monitoring centers are staffed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and can dispatch emergency services such as police, fire department, or ambulance. There are different types of monitoring services. Professional monitoring provides round-the-clock surveillance by trained personnel. Self-monitoring relies on the user to receive alerts and take appropriate action. Video surveillance systems use cameras to record and transmit video footage. Cameras can be installed indoors or outdoors and can be wired or wireless. Digital video recorders, DVRs, store the video footage. Network video recorders, NVRs, store footage on a network. Video analytics software can be used to detect specific events such as motion, object recognition, or facial recognition. Access control systems regulate who can enter a building or area. Keycard readers require users to swipe a card to gain entry. Biometric readers use fingerprint, iris, or facial recognition for authentication. Intercom systems allow for communication between people inside and outside the building. Power supplies provide power to the security system components. Backup batteries ensure the system continues to operate during a power outage. Fire alarm systems are designed to detect and alert occupants to a fire. Smoke detectors sense the presence of smoke. Heat detectors sense a rapid rise in temperature. Carbon monoxide detectors detect the presence of carbon monoxide gas. Sprinkler systems automatically suppress fires. Communication methods are essential for transmitting alarm signals. Traditional phone lines were commonly used but are being replaced by cellular and internet-based communication. Cellular communication uses a cellular network to transmit alarm signals. Internet-based communication uses an internet connection to transmit alarm signals. Dual-path communication uses both cellular and internet communication for redundancy. Installation practices are crucial for security system effectiveness. Proper wiring techniques are essential for reliable system operation. Sensor placement should be carefully considered to maximize detection coverage. Grounding and surge protection protect the system from electrical damage. Testing and maintenance ensure the system is functioning properly. Regular testing of all sensors and components is essential. Battery replacement is necessary every few years. Software updates ensure the system is up to date with the latest features and security patches. Troubleshooting is a necessary skill for security system professionals. Understanding common system problems is essential for efficient repairs. Using diagnostic tools helps in identifying the source of the problem. Replacing faulty components to restore system functionality. False alarms can be a significant problem. Identifying the causes of false alarms is essential for preventing them. Implementing preventative measures reduces the frequency of false alarms. User training helps in preventing false alarms caused by user error. Networking is a valuable resource for security system professionals. Joining industry associations provides access to training, resources, and networking opportunities. Attending trade shows and conferences provides exposure to the latest technologies and trends. Building relationships with other professionals creates a valuable support network. Continuing education is essential for staying up to date with the latest technologies and trends. Participating in training courses enhances knowledge and skills. Reading industry publications provides insights into current issues and best practices. Obtaining certifications demonstrates competence and professionalism. Regulations and licensing are important considerations for security system professionals. Compliance with local, state, and federal regulations is mandatory. Obtaining necessary licenses and permits is essential for legal operation. Staying informed about changes in regulations ensures compliance. Security system design involves careful planning and consideration of various factors. Risk assessment identifies potential threats and vulnerabilities. System design specifies the components and layout of the security system. Integration with other systems, such as building automation and access control, enhances functionality. Cybersecurity is an increasingly important consideration for security systems. Protecting the system from cyber attacks is essential for maintaining security. Implementing strong passwords and security protocols reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Keeping software up to date with the latest security patches protects against vulnerabilities. The future of security systems involves increasing integration with smart home technology. Wireless technology will continue to play a larger role. Artificial intelligence will be used to enhance threat detection and analysis. Cloud-based services will provide remote access and management capabilities. Power over Ethernet (PoE) allows devices to receive power and data over a single cable, simplifying installation. Wireless communication protocols like Zigbee and Z-Wave are becoming increasingly popular for connecting security devices. Understanding network security principles is essential for protecting security systems from cyber threats. Firewalls prevent unauthorized access to the network. Intrusion detection systems identify and respond to malicious activity. Security audits assess the security posture of the system. Virtual private networks, VPNs, provide secure remote access to the system. Understanding the National Electrical Code (NEC) requirements for security system installations is essential for ensuring safety and compliance. NEC Article 725 covers Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 remote control, signaling, and power limited circuits. NEC Article 760 covers fire alarm systems. NEC Article 800 covers communication circuits. Bonding and grounding requirements are essential for protecting the system from electrical faults. Surge protection devices protect the system from voltage spikes. Proper wire sizing is essential for preventing overheating and voltage drop. Cable management is important for maintaining a neat and organized installation. Using the appropriate connectors and termination methods ensures reliable connections. Documenting the system design and installation is essential for future maintenance and troubleshooting. Creating as-built drawings provides a record of the system layout. Maintaining a log of system events and maintenance activities helps in identifying trends and problems. Providing user manuals and training materials ensures users understand how to operate the system properly. Conducting regular system audits identifies potential weaknesses and vulnerabilities. Staying up to date with the latest security threats and vulnerabilities is essential for maintaining a strong security posture. Monitoring security news and advisories helps in staying informed about potential risks. Implementing security best practices reduces the risk of cyber attacks. Training employees on security awareness helps in preventing social engineering attacks. Performing regular penetration testing identifies vulnerabilities in the system. Having a well-defined incident response plan enables a quick and effective response to security breaches.